Welcome to Review Lab. The best data recovery is probably one of the most crucial software tools you can have, especially if you've ever experienced the heart-stopping moment of losing important files. Whether it's a corrupted hard drive, accidental deletion, or a system crash, the ability to retrieve your lost data can be a lifesaver. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of data recovery software, exploring its features, and helping you choose the right tool to get your files back. Number 5. Norton 360 Deluxe 2026, Antivirus for 5 devices. Get instant protection for your PCs, Macs, and mobile devices. You can download and install it in minutes. It's easy to set up and get started. This product helps you identify online and text message scams. The Genie AI-powered Scam Protection Assistant provides guidance on suspicious offers. It is designed to keep you safe. Protect your private information with bank-grade encryption. It provides a more secure internet connection, keeping your data safe from prying eyes. This feature is essential for online privacy. Identity thieves may try to buy or sell your information on the dark web. This product searches the dark web and alerts you if your information is found. It helps you stay informed about potential threats. Advanced security protects against malware threats, including ransomware and viruses. It won't slow down your device performance. It works in the background to keep you safe. Prevent the loss of photos and files due to ransomware or hard drive failures. This feature provides peace of mind knowing your data is backed up. It's a crucial part of data protection. A payment method must be stored in your Norton account to activate. The subscription auto-renews annually, so you won't have any service disruptions. You can cancel anytime in your account if you don't wish to renew. What we like. This software offers advanced AI-powered scam protection, helping you identify and avoid online threats. It also provides 50 GB of secure cloud backup to safeguard your important files. If you're concerned about phishing attempts and want to protect your data from ransomware or hard drive failures, you should consider this. What people say. The software successfully recovered deleted files from my formatted hard drive. It has a user-friendly interface that makes the recovery process straightforward. The deep scan feature found files that other software couldn't. Number 4. 64 GB USB 3.2 drive for Windows install recovery. This USB drive comes with a beginner-friendly video tutorial. It guides you through booting from the drive, supporting both UEFI and legacy systems. It makes the installation process straightforward. This bootable USB 3.2 drive is designed for installing Windows on your computer. It supports 64-bit versions of Windows 11, 10, 8.1, and 7, including Pro and Home editions. It doesn't require a TPM and the key is not included. The drive includes programs for network drives, hard drive partitioning, and data recovery. It's a comprehensive computer maintenance tool to help you manage your system effectively. Use this USB drive to reinstall Windows and resolve boot problems. Please note that it cannot be used as recovery media for automatic repair. Simply insert the USB drive, and you'll find a video tutorial to guide you through the Windows installation process. It simplifies the setup. Before installing Windows, this USB drive allows you to access your hard drive and back up your important data. It ensures you don't lose anything during the process. If you encounter any technical issues, feel free to contact us for assistance. Sometimes it might be a hardware problem, and we can help you diagnose and resolve it. What we like. This bootable USB drive is a versatile tool for installing or recovering Windows. It includes a data recovery tool to help you retrieve lost files. If you've encountered boot issues or need to access your data before reinstalling Windows, this is a great choice. What people say. This USB helped me recover a Windows system that most people would have been forced to reinstall from scratch. It allows you to diagnose, repair, and restore a broken system when Windows will not boot properly or when normal recovery methods fail. I followed the instructions, installed Windows 11 this morning on my PC and it's working like a charm. Number 3. Rescue 3-year data recovery plan. Losing important data can be a nightmare. But with this plan, you don't have to worry. It's designed to help you recover your valuable files. This plan covers both internal and bare drives. Whether it's a desktop or a laptop, this has you covered. It provides comprehensive data recovery services. Enjoy peace of mind for 3 years with this plan. It offers extended protection against data loss. You can rest easy knowing your data is in good hands. If data loss occurs, professionals will handle the recovery process. They have the expertise to retrieve your lost files. This ensures the best chance of successful recovery. Protect your data with this plan. It's a smart investment for anyone who values their files. Get yours today and safeguard your important information. What we like. This plan provides comprehensive data recovery services for internal and bare drives. It offers coverage for a full 3 years, giving you peace of mind. If you're worried about data loss from a failing hard drive, this plan is a must-have. What people say. I was able to recover all of my files. The software is easy to use and has a user-friendly interface. The software was able to recover files from a formatted hard drive. Number 2. Malwarebytes Premium 18 months, 2 devices. Are you tired of online threats? This award-winning software offers comprehensive protection against viruses, malware, and spyware. It's designed to keep you safe. Get 24/7 real-time protection against emerging threats, including ransomware. It works in the background without slowing down your devices, ensuring your safety at all times. This software protects your computers, smartphones, and tablets. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, so you're covered no matter what device you use. Get protected instantly with a quick download and easy installation process. You can be up and running in minutes, securing your devices without delay. It has unmatched threat detection capabilities. It found malware on many devices that already had other antivirus software installed, proving its effectiveness. Take control with an intuitive user interface that allows you to customize your protection. Easily adjust settings to meet your specific needs and preferences. Protect yourself from hackers, malicious sites, and credential stealers. This software provides web and malware protection to keep your data safe from online threats. What we like. This software provides award-winning protection against malware, including real-time threat detection. It is compatible with multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. If you have multiple devices and want comprehensive protection against various threats, this is the perfect option. What people say. It cleared the adware I stumbled into on a website I opened. Don't open those quiz sites. It identified and removed what WebRoot and Microsoft would not. No more pop-up ads that won't close. This virus protection for your PC is actually better than the other brands like Norton or McAfee. It is simple to use, give you understandable reports, etc. Other than just all-around better protection, it also requires less system resources, which means it doesn't bog down your system and slow everything down. Well, I just started using this and so far I am impressed. The software makes you trust Malwarebytes and its decision to quarantine or block websites that don't play nice. So far I'm impressed with the performance and ability to catch unwanted things you did not ask for but force on you without Malwarebytes. Number 1. Microsoft Windows 11, USB. This new design helps you do what you want with ease. It's built to make your digital life simpler and more organized. It includes biometric logins, encrypted authentication, and advanced antivirus defenses. Everything is there to protect you against the latest cyber threats. Make the most of your screen with snap layouts and desktops. It helps you stay organized and productive. Widgets make it simple to stay up to date with the content you love and the news you care about. It keeps you informed at a glance. Stay in touch with friends and family with Microsoft Teams, which is seamlessly integrated into your taskbar. It makes communication easy. This is a boxed product that ships with a USB for installation. It's a convenient way to get the latest operating system. What we like. This operating system features a refreshed design and advanced antivirus defenses to protect you from cyber threats. It also offers seamless integration with Microsoft Teams. If you like the latest features and want a secure and user-friendly operating system, you should consider it. What people say. The software successfully recovered deleted files from my formatted hard drive. It has a user-friendly interface. The deep scan feature found files that other software couldn't. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.